In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see appointments on Vagaro, an essential task for managing your schedule effectively if you're running a business or keeping track of your bookings. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can easily access your appointments without any stress. First things first, let's head over to Vagaro. Vagaro is a cloud-based salon, spa, and fitness business management software that enables professionals to manage their daily business operations. To begin, you need to access Vagaro's website. This can be easily done through any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Simply type in Vagaro's URL or search for it using your preferred search engine. Once the website loads, you're ready for the next step. At the top right corner of the Vagaro homepage, you'll spot the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your dashboard and subsequently your appointments. Clicking on it will prompt a login screen where you'll have various options for signing in. Whether you're a first-time user or returning user, locating and clicking the login button is straightforward. The next step would be to choose your preferred method of logging in. For a seamless experience, we recommend logging in with Google, especially if you already have a Google account. This method streamlines the login process by linking your Vagaro account with your Google account, eliminating the need for remembering an additional password. Click on the Login with Google option and you'll be directed to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you're already logged in with a Google account on your browser, you may only have to confirm your choice. Otherwise, you might need to sign into your Google account. After selecting your Google account, you're almost there. The next screen should present you with a dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to a specific section. Look for Go to My Business and click on it. This option is designed for business owners and staff members managing appointments. Clicking on this will take you directly to the business management interface within Vagaro. Now let's get to the core of today's tutorial. Accessing your calendar to view appointments. There should be a direct link to your calendar on the dashboard. The calendar is where all the magic happens. It's the centralized location for all your appointments, showing you at a glance everything that's booked, pending, or needs your attention. If you followed along, clicking on this link or navigating to this part of your dashboard will reveal your calendar. Upon accessing your calendar, you're greeted with a detailed view of your scheduled appointments. This view allows you to manage your time efficiently, prepare for upcoming appointments, and even reschedule or cancel as necessary. Vagaro's calendar is designed to be user-friendly, showcasing different time slots, services, and client information in a clear, organized manner. As you can see, accessing and viewing your appointments on Vagaro is a straightforward process. However, a few tips can make your experience even smoother. Remember to regularly check your calendar for any updates or changes, especially if you have a busy schedule. Utilize Vagaro's notification system to stay informed about upcoming appointments or any modifications clients might request. Moreover, personalizing your Vagaro account to suit your business can enhance not just your experience, but also that of your clients. And there you have it. You now know how to access and view your appointments using Vagaro. This skill is crucial for anyone in the business of booking services, helping to ensure you're always prepared for your clients and can manage your schedule efficiently. Whether you're a salon owner, a personal trainer, or running a spa, being adept at navigating your business management software is key to a successful operation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from exploring Vagaro further to make the most out of its capabilities. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to managing your appointments effortlessly.